see what I feel like to be in the water. He did. I'm so scared as shit. I never done this in my life. He promised if anything happened, he was gonna grab me.
I'm here, don't worry.
So that shit gonna stay balanced, right?
Yeah, stay. Just jump.
Just jump? No snuff yet?
If I have some problem.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tekno TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting and interesting video here on the channel. So this one particularly, it's about Tekno and Kcee, the 5-star general, and Alaji Tekno, the guy with the swag. You know, he's back in the Nigerian entertainment phase, and this time I believe the guy is back to stay back to back, as he was spotted swimming in this private beach somewhere in the Asian continent with Kcee. It was awesome. It was a wonderful time they had there. As well, we'll be doing other entertainment video here on the channel as well. Okonwo and some other EMONEY billionaire friends were celebrating this big win. We'll be doing that as well here. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video.
I always fantasize to jump in the ocean. And just see what I feel like to be in the water. He did. I'm so scared as shit. I never done this in my life. He promised if anything happened, he was gonna grab me.
I'm here, don't worry.
So that shit gonna stay balanced, right?
Yeah, stay. Just jump.
Just jump? No snuff yet?
If I have some problem, I come. Okay.
Yes, baby! Oh God!
You got it.
Woo! They're not fishes, right?
No, it's fishes is nothing.
No shark, no piranha.
No.
Yes, please, Papa!
Bad monkey. About to go into the water.
For those of you who are old subscribers here on the channel, you should be familiar with this name, Otumba One, popularly known as Tunde of Lagos. He's a friend to EMONEY, he's a friend to Cubana, he's also a friend to top Igbo billionaires and businessmen, and he was celebrating this very big win after they finished the setup of his new real estate in Lagos, Nigeria. That's what they were actually celebrating. You could see the CEO of Victoria Bay was praying for him, and that's what we're about to share. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
This is very nice. It's very nice. So that's batteries in nice. Wow. This one must be your house here. You know my problem there, eh? So, I brought cola once more. According to what that is village called? Wale. Yeah. This is Wale tradition. Yes. And he that brings cola brings life, better life. And this is better cola. Now unadulterated brand new cola. Now mint cola.
We're inside.
So, Father, we thank you.
Thank you.
A day like this, that your son will present a gift like this to us. Father, thank you because you are the only one who gives it to us. As he has chosen to share in the wealth you have given him with us, Lord, may his wealth continue to multiply.
Amen.
And we that will share this, as it's entering our pockets will never run dry in Jesus' name.
Amen.
It will continue to become much fuller.
Amen.
If there's any word like that.
Amen.
Our pockets will continue to be filled with more.
Without problem. Lord, we thank you today.
Thank you, Father.
That we have come to our brothers and your son's office. Today he will find favor.
Amen.
He will find favor.
Amen.
You will give him wisdom, Lord.
Amen.
Father, every and anything he prays for, Father, please give him favor.
Amen.
Give him favor.
Amen.
Father, I pray for mercy for him. Father,
Amen.
show him mercy.
Amen.
Show him mercy, Father.
Amen.
May his business day to day. As he has honored you, Lord, Father God, honor him for this. Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Thank you.
Amen and amen.
Stand up. Because everybody around you is older than you.
So lately, a whole lot of people have been talking about Nnamdi Kanu being detained, and some of this Igbo business billionaire like Obi Cubana, Cubana chief priest, and a lot of them, EMONEY and the rest of others from actors from the East. They are not really speaking up about the issue. Now the question I have for you guys is this, and I want you to answer the question in the comment section. If you were the one who has grown so high with the level of poverty and hunger in this country to this extent, knowing fully well that this is the same government that is actually protecting your businesses, will you want to come out and start talking about this issue? Please answer that in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment in the comment section. See you guys on my next.
How they feel?
About to go into the water.
So guys, I always fantasize to jump in the ocean and just see what I feel like to be in the water. You did. I'm so scared as shit. I never done this in my life. He promised if anything happened, he was gonna grab me.
I'm here, don't worry.
So that shit gonna stay balanced, right?
Yeah, stay. Just jump.
Just jump? No snuff yet?
If I have some problem, I come. Okay.
Yes, baby! Oh God!
We got it.
Woo! There are no fishes, right?
No, it's fishes is not.
No shark, no piranha.
No.